Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Nissan Kicks. So first thing we want to do is come over here and pop the hood. Did you already pop the hood? No. Okay, so we're going to open up the driver's side door, down here under the dash, pull this little lever with the hood thing on it, and that'll pop the hood. And then we will come around here to the front, and there's a secondary latch about right here. You got to push that over towards the passenger side, lift it up, and then we have a hood prop rod right here that comes off and then down and goes into that hole right there where that arrow's at, and that's how you hold the hood up. There's that secondary latch. Push that over, and then you can see the battery here. I'll just inspect it, make sure it's not loose. It's not, there's no corrosion. And we'll hook up our negative cable first. Get it to bite on there nice and tight and good into the metal. And then our positive. And we're going to be using a jump box to jump this, but you can use regular jumper cables from a car. Just make sure the other car is off or the jump box is off when you're hooking up everything. Hook up the red second. You can see here the box gives us a voltage readout, and this one says 10 volts, so anything under 12 and it's a dead battery. So we'll turn the box on. If you're jumping it from another car, you can turn the other car on and then turn this one on. There it goes to 11, so now it should start. Alright, customer's gonna jump in and try to start it. We'll see if it starts up. There it goes. And then you just turn off the other car you jumped it from, or the jump box. Another good feature of this GB150 Noco is that it reads the alternator output. So we can tell if it's the battery or something more like the charging system, the alternator. And fortunately for the customer, the alternator is good. It's just the battery. Batteries tend to only last about 3 years here in Florida. So if it's anywhere around that time frame, it's just time for a new one. Especially this year we've had a lot of heat, so the heat will wipe them out pretty quick. And that's it. Then you just lift up your little hood prop rod thingy, put it back in that little clip that's right there, and then just drop your hood down. Oh, maybe I should have dropped it higher. And drop your hood down. There you go. There you go. There's how to jump start your Nissan Kicks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please drop me a comment, let me know. Like, share, tag, follow, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.